today I'll be making something pretty quick and easy. Some wings and french fries, barbecue, and some fries from scratch. So these are the seasoning I'm gonna put in it. I'm not doing too much since this is already gonna go on the wings, so we don't want too much. These are just the seasoning I'm gonna be using on the wings, you know, just to lighten up a bit more and get the fries from scratch. Let's get started. Shit, I forgot I'm taking a shower right now. He was going to cut me out. Whoopsies. I stopped. Go ahead. This is fine like this. And you're right, I forgot to tell y'all. I literally went to the store and got everything but freaking salt. So yeah. Oh, what a dumb y'all. I know I am. Yes, I'm gonna wash my chicken. That's all it does. Washing my chicken. Black. Sorry. No, just any black. African black. We wash okay. And we're gonna do crust and spice amarellas. Enough seasoning for your ancestor to say, do you want to kill me all over again? Don't say that. Like, that's very unethical. That's very unethical. You can't be saying stuff like that. You know, sucks. It's not really salt because it's kind of like seasoned salt. And why do I put MSG on everything? Do you know, like, when you eat something out at a store or like Asian restaurants and stuff, and you have that like sensation in your mouth where, not sensation, but like it feels like you're drooling even though you're still hungry at the same time? That's when MSG, like, I mean, not hungry, but even though you're full, that's MSG doing that. Even though you're full, but like you're still drooling in your mouth in a bit, like a dog. Like a dog. Yes, it's dry rubbed on it. That's because of MSG. It's the one doing that. So get into it, yeah. As you can see, the oil is piping. I put it in the back because, child, I'm not getting no oil stain on me. You were getting me today. Yeah. Go try your ancestors, not me. Yeah. There you go. That's how I just gonna leave over there. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ask anybody, I can me. I do not have time for that. Go play with your ancestors, not me. Oh. And because we're being picked over here, while the fries is in the oil, I'm going to aluminum foil. Oh my god, yes, I use aluminum foil in my air fryer. Yes, you can too. And no, it does not damage your stuff in whatsoever way. Oh my god, people. Like, you know what? First, I forgot to do something. Let me show y'all. Okay, honestly, I couldn't find the knife I was looking for. Oh, hello? Do you want to fight? What the hell? So, this, you see how sharp that is? Yes, I am stabbing this thing. Why? We will find out later. Because it cooks in the meat. Am I stabbing through my bowl right now? Absolutely. Because it's a rubber bowl. And if it's for 30 minutes, no, it's not going to last all 30 minutes because I will be taking it out as soon as it's ready. I'm just putting it on 30 minutes because I have other things to do. Got you, bye. Look how beautiful the fries is turning out. Like, yeah. This is great. And this bowl, yes, I have it. It's just a takeaway bowl. That's the dirty one. And this is the clean one. So, these I'm going to put the fries in after it's done. We do not want it to be too much over fried. Yes, it is gonna be bitter. Ew, yuck. Yuck, ew. Yes, my oil is hot. Yes, my oil is very hot. It smells very delicious. Like Chinese fish. It's yum. See how beautiful that looks? The fries came out good. Yes, it came out great. Based on what I've learned from my brother, I know he is not a fan of soggy stuff. So if I put the sauce on the wings right now, it's going to be soggy before he eats it. So instead of doing that, I am going to put the sauce in a little. Actually, I feel like these containers are a bit too big. Give me a second. Ketchup in here. I'm not doing too much. At the end of the day, it is ketchup. But for the barbecue sauce, I'm gonna put it in here because it's for the wings. Yes, for the wings. I'm not putting the sauce on the wings so they don't get soggy. Yes, just cover that up. And the ketchup right here. And the wings are coming out so well. So well. Look at it. Like, that's so beautiful. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it and go and pack the meal. And here I am, just packing up the first thing first. So here we have the pineapple juice. And I kind of wanted to put the sauces here, but that's not gonna fit. So you go with your respective. Oh my god, it's not even gonna listen. You don't have a choice. You're gonna go. Some Go-Gurt, pineapple, mango, and a gusher. Okay, I already have fries, so I guess I wash my hands. Oh, wait, first thing first, I'm gonna put some salt on these. I added some no, that's not black pepper. That's actually like paprika. Damn, that's a lot. It is not. I added some paprika and and here I go. Just even if you cover the container, that's fine. Slowly, okay. Just leave a little bit for more. Yeah, more. And right now the wings is Slightly burned. Kidding, it's not burned. But it is ready. That's how it looks. I'm gonna put the wings in here. Yes, I'm putting it directly in here. Hot like that. Hot like that. Four wings, some french fries, hot sauce, and ketchup. Yeah. If you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, you're gonna cut your swine. Just kidding. But this is it. Right here. That's all. And I'm pretty much done. I will be showing you guys when he finishes after school as well. So stick around to the end of this video. Time to find out whether he finished lunch today. That was quite violent. It is no. Yeah, I knew it. I say it was gonna be a bit too much, but slay. Here a bit, and here. Okay. Period. So did he finish the wings? Dun, dun, dun. Oh my! Bro, you telling me he couldn't put these bones in the trash? He couldn't put these bones in the trash? I'm screaming! This boy left a bone in here. Insane. Well, that means he enjoyed it. And that is what we have. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check out the reel on my YouTube channel of how I packed them. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Okay. Let me put this back. No, I'm not putting this back because yeah. Yes, I'm gonna eat that. I'm putting it in the air fryer and finishing it. So these are just gonna go back to where they belong. Yeah, that's it. Bye.